Hello students, today we will start our next topic, water resources. As you all know that water is a renewable natural resource and three-fourths of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is therefore approximately called the water planet. Even today, the oceans cover two-thirds of the Earth's surface and support a rich variety of plant and animal life. The ocean water is, however, saline and not fit for human consumption. Fresh water accounts for only about 2.7%, and nearly 70% of this occurs as ice sheets and glaciers in Antarctica, Greenland and mountain regions, and these are very far from the reach of the human. Due to their location, they are inaccessible. So only 1% of fresh water is available and fit for human use. Fresh water is therefore the most precious substance on earth. वाटर कैन नीदर बी एडेड नॉर सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. ना तो हम इसको बढ़ा सकते हैं ना ही हम इसे कम कर सकते हैं. इट्स टोटल वॉल्यूम रिमेन कांस्टेंट. ह्यूमन यूज ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ह्यूमन बीइंग कि ह्यूमन बीइंग बहुत ज़्यादा पानी यूज करता है, खाली पीने के मतलब के लिए नहीं और वॉशिंग करने के लिए नहीं, बट ऑल्सो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ प्रोडक्शन के लिए भी. वाटर फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, वाटर फॉर इंडस्ट्रीज, वाटर फॉर जनरेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू रिजर्वियर्स ऑफ डैम्स आर द अदर यूजेस. Increasing population, rising demand for food and cash crops, increasing urbanization and rising standards of living are the major factors leading to shortage in the supply of fresh water, either due to drying up of water sources or water pollution. So due to that, we have so many problems related to water shortage. We call it water scarcity. There are two types. One is quantitative scarcity, मात्रा. One is qualitative, कि कितना पानी अच्छा है. So in quantitative scarcity, in that we found some different type of problem, like as population increases, more water is needed for domestic uses as well as to produce more food. जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ेगी तो डोमेस्टिक यूज के लिए वाटर की नीड बढ़ती जाएगी. फार्मर्स यूज वेल्स एंड ट्यूबवेल्स टू इरिगेट देयर फील्ड. द रिजल्ट इन फॉलिंग ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल्स. अब फार्मर ट्यूबवेल्स और वेल्स का यूज करेगा, इससे ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल या टेबल धीरे धीरे कम होने लगेगा. In cities, fragile water resources are being overexploited and have caused their depletion. Now, qualitative scarcity. The qualitative scarcity is due to bad quality of available water. Whatever water we have available, it is not good in quality. So, it is caused by the following reasons. Number one, pollution by domestic and industrial waste. Second, pollution by chemicals, pesticides and fertilizers used in agriculture. So what we are doing? We are irrigating our field. So after using chemical fertilizer on the field, we irrigate it. So that water percolate and reached, or you can say meet with the groundwater table. And due to that, the groundwater table also polluted. So now question is, next topic, conservation of water resource. How to conserve water? कि पानी को कैसे कंजर्व किया जा सकता है. So, access to clean and adequate water sources is a major problem facing the world today. Steps have to be taken to conserve this water resource. Even though water is a renewable resource, its overuse and pollution make it unfit for use. How it become unfit? Because discharge of untreated or partially treated sewage we dispose in the rivers या water body directly. Agricultural, chemicals and industrial effluent in water bodies are major contaminants. They pollute water with nitrates, metals and pesticides. So most of these chemicals are non-biodegradable and reach human bodies through water. So whatever chemical present in the water, they all are non-biodegradable and they reach in the human body, and due to that the human affected by it. Water pollution can be controlled by treating these effluents suitably before releasing them in water bodies. So forest and other vegetation covers slow the surface runoff and replenish underground water. Now here I am talking about the rainwater harvesting, means how to use the, yeah, you can say adopt the rainwater harvesting system. So water harvesting is another method to save surface runoff. So this is best method to save the surface runoff, and the canals used for irrigation fields should be properly lined to minimize losses by water seepage. Sprinklers effectively irrigate the area by checking water losses through seepage and evaporation. In dry regions with high rates of evaporation, drip or trickle irrigation is very useful. The valuable water resources can neither be conserved by adopting these means of irrigation. The meaning of this paragraph is that if you want to conserve the water, the best method to reduce the wastage of water, like adopt different type of irrigation system according to the need of the area. Thank you.